Hello! In this video, I will cook you a Beyti Kebab. First, we start by chopping the onion. Then we chop 2 red peppers into small pieces. And then we shred the chicken meat. And we add it on top of our vegetables. We add a little salt to taste. While cooking our mixture, we add half a glass of water and some oil. While our mixture is cooking, we prepare the sauce. For this, we add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 3 tablespoons of oil. After mixing well, we move on to our second sauce. For this, we add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a glass of water and some mint. We will use this sauce to spread on our food after putting it in the oven and bake it again. While our meat mixture is cooking, you can add some black pepper to taste. We spread the first sauce all over the lavash. And put the meat mixture inside and wrap it. After greasing our baking dish, we place the lavash in the dish. First we bake it, then take it out and spread the other sauce and bake it again. Bon appetit!